Today, we're taking an in-depth look at Coinigy, a well-known cryptocurrency trading platform designed for traders who want advanced tools to automate their trading strategies. If you're involved in crypto trading, you know how challenging it can be to manage multiple exchanges, monitor market movements, and execute trades efficiently. Coinigy aims to solve these problems by offering an all-in-one platform that integrates with multiple exchanges, provides real-time market data, and allows automated trading with advanced charting tools. The first thing you'll notice when you visit Coinigy is its sleek and professional interface. The dashboard is well organized, making it easy to navigate even for beginners. Once you sign up and log in, you'll find various features such as portfolio tracking, trading terminal, and market insights. Coinigy supports integrations with more than 45 cryptocurrency exchanges, including Binance, Kraken, Bitfinex, and Coinbase Pro, allowing users to manage all their accounts in one place. One of the standout features of Coinigy is its real-time market data and charting capabilities. The platform provides advanced trading view charts, which are highly customizable and equipped with multiple indicators, helping traders analyze market trends and make informed decisions. Unlike many other trading bots, Coinigy does not directly execute trades on your behalf. Instead, it provides a seamless way to manage trades across multiple exchanges through API integration. Many useful links can be found in the description. Do this after looking video. Another major advantage of Coinigy is its automation tools. Although it doesn't offer built-in automated trading bots like some competitors, it does allow users to create custom alerts and execute trades based on predefined strategies. This can be useful for traders who want to automate parts of their workflow without relying on third-party trading bots. Additionally, Coinigy provides features like SMS and email alerts for price movements, helping users stay updated on market conditions in real time. When it comes to pricing, Coinigy offers a free trial, but full access requires a subscription. The plans start at a monthly fee, and while it may seem a bit pricey compared to some competitors, the platform's reliability and exchange support can justify the cost for active traders. It's worth noting that Coinigy does not charge trading fees directly. Any fees come from the connected exchanges. Security is another critical factor, and Coinigy takes this seriously. The platform uses encrypted API keys, meaning it doesn't have direct access to your funds. Instead, it acts as a bridge between you and the exchanges, ensuring that your assets remain secure. However, as with any third-party trading platform, it's essential to enable two-factor authentication and follow best security practices. Overall, Coinigy is a powerful tool for traders looking for a unified trading experience across multiple exchanges. While it lacks direct trading automation like some competitors, it makes up for it with robust charting tools, extensive exchange integrations, and real-time market data. If you're a serious trader who wants to streamline your workflow and monitor multiple exchanges efficiently, Coinigy could be a great addition to your trading toolkit. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto trading reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.